What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about irrational numbers. And so irrational numbers, they're decimals that don't repeat and they don't terminate. What I mean is, like, a repeating decimal would be like 0.3333. It goes on forever. Sometimes you see we put like the little hat on top. That is a repeating decimal. Or a terminating decimal would mean a decimal that stops, right? If something terminates, it doesn't keep on going forever. So that's kind of your regular decimals that you see all the time. So a terminating one would be like 0.5, 0.128, whatever it may be, those stop. And so irrational numbers, they do neither. And a famous example of a irrational number is pi. Pi is an irrational number because we all know that pi is like 3.14159, blah, blah, blah. It goes on forever. There's no patterns, just a whole bunch of random numbers put together, and so that is an irrational number. So anytime you kind of see a decimal and they do that ... but there's no pattern before it, that means it is irrational. So if I just wrote like 0.28572, blah, 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 that means it is irrational. You may also remember our square roots, right? So like the square root of 4 is equal to 2. But if you grab a calculator, which I actually have here, and I do the square root of 5, see, it just kind of keeps going forever. And so a non-perfect root, whether it's a square root, cube root, is also going to be an irrational number. Remember, it's just any decimal that doesn't repeat. It's just a bunch of random numbers put together, and it doesn't terminate, meaning it never stops.